Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. What are you having for lunch today? I'm craving okra soup. Join me, let's make this fish okra soup. Let's go. These are the ingredients we'll be using for our fish okra soup today. 2 medium-sized fresh mackerel fish, cut and cleaned. 1 dry asa fish, cleaned. 2 small-sized smoked hake, cleaned. 2 cups grated or chopped okra, half cup of ground crayfish, a roughly blend mix of yellow atarodo, Scotch bonnet pepper, red habanero pepper, fresh cayenne pepper called Shombo, and a bulb of onions. 1 cup sliced and washed Uziza leaves. 1 cup sliced and washed ugu leaves. 1½ cup of red palm oil. 1/4 cup fresh Iru. 1 tablespoon seasoning and 3 stock cubes. 1 tablespoon salt or to taste. Small amount of water for the cooking. In a clean dry cooking pot over a medium heat, pour in the palm oil, allow it to heat up a bit, then add half portion of the ground crayfish. Stir for about 30 seconds, then add the roughly blended pepper mix. Stir and allow it to cook uncovered for about 2 to 3 minutes. Stir it, then add the Iru, the seasonings, and the stock cubes. Stir and allow to continue cooking. Now we add the fish, the smoked hake called Panla, the fresh mackerel fish, and the dry fish. Sprinkle the salt all over it. Pour a little bit of water. Give it a very light stir. Cover and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. Time to check our food. Smells so lovely. Now remove the fresh fish, that's the mackerel, and the smoked fish, our hake, so they don't scatter while you stir your soup further. We will now add the okra, then the Uziza leaves. Stir in very well. Add a little bit of water if you feel you need to do so. I added because it's too thick. Now add the remaining ground crayfish and stir it in very well. Do not cover at this stage. Allow it to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. Stir and add the ugu leaves. Stir in very well. Now return the fish to the pot of soup. Get all the juice back in there. Do not cover fully. Allow it to simmer on a low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Stir and the soup is ready. Stir with your preferred swallow. I'm eating mine with a very hot eba. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe and turn on post notification so you never miss a video when I upload. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this or when you do try it. There you have it. Yummy fish okra soup. Delicious meal from my kitchen to yours. See you again soon. Bye.